Alright Gary, let's go for a hot lap in our 1970 Dodge Challenger.
Yeah, those are fun cars, man.
Sublime Green.
Yeah, can't miss it.
That's the look. So this one we believe was originally a 383 car. Now it's a 446 pack, which means 3 two-barrel carburetors. It's got a 4-speed transmission with a pistol grip.
Yep.
It's the way to have one of these. Pretty cool. Black bucket seats. Pretty stripped down inside. Radio delete.
Yeah, no radio. What?
Got a tachometer and a speedometer.
I guess they don't want you to listen to anything when you're driving such a machine.
That's right. That's right. Pretty cool. Lots of fun to drive. It's got some 17-inch American Racing wheel. They're called Hopsters on there. 17-inch makes it handle a little bit better because you can put a lower profile tire. But really fun car to drive. This thing's gets looks. I mean, the 70 Challenger is the year. I mean, that's the one that they tried to make the new ones look like, you know?
Yeah. Oh, it's a fun little car. Let's see, I can't see anything.
No, looks like we'll have to hang out till this guy gets... Oh, he says go. Good. Iconic muscle car.
Oh, yeah.
Especially with 440 cubic inches under the hood. It's impressive to even look at.
Oh yeah, lots of torque.
Interiors are pretty basic in this car, you know. The dash is nice shape. A lot of these Challengers, the dashes are pretty worked. And I hear they're not too easy to put in, so it's nice it's done already. Yeah, it's pretty good, man.
Yeah, I didn't even really get on it, man. It still goes fast.
We'll get up here and take some pictures of it.
Oh yeah.
All right, here's our 1970 Dodge Challenger. This one's got a 440 6-pack motor, 4-speed manual transmission with a pistol grip shifter. It's finished in Sublime Green, which is one of the best colors for this car. You can see it coming a mile away, which might not be good if you're speeding, but got the black bumblebee stripe on the back. 4-tip exhaust. It's got Flowmasters on it. Sounds really good. Body's nice and straight. It's got a couple paint flaws here and there, but hardly noticeable with this color. But a really nice driver. Got the flat black hood with the hood scoops. RT package. Pretty basic inside, just black bucket seats, center console. It's got factory tack. Power steering, upgraded power disc brakes with a dual master. Interior's pretty clean, nice. No rips or tears, seats are comfortable. Looks like all this was redone. Headliner's in pretty good shape too. Like I said earlier, 17-inch American Racing wheel, the Hopster wheels. They look nice on there, it gives it a good look. But you can do whatever you want with these cars. You can change them up, make them the way you like, put the Steelies on there, color match with dog dish hubcaps. I mean, it's a canvas, so do it the way you like it. But right now, it looks pretty darn good. Here's the power plant in the 1970 Challenger. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 440 6-pack, not the original drivetrain. I think this one came with a 383. I actually think it was blue too. Somebody spent a lot of money making it this way. So it's a tribute car. But they did the right stuff. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake, but they painted it orange so you couldn't tell. It's got some performance goodies to it. Ratio-wise in the rear end, it's kind of a Freeway flyer, so you know it's not neck snapping when you get on it. But you can change that if you want to change the gears, but then you can't get on the freeway and cruise it. So I kind of like the way it's set up right now. But like I mentioned, updated power disc brakes with the dual master, power steering, coated headers, real clean under here. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Got that Chrysler sound when you fire them up. Runs nice and cool though. Nice radiator in here. Just kind of a stock feel to it, but it's got a rumble. These big blocks sound nice coming out the back, especially with the 4 tips. That's cool. Nice torquey big block. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Our phone number here is 818-591-8800. 1313. I'd be happy to help you. My name's Rich, or you can speak to Gary. All right, thanks for watching.